It's June 25th, 2012. Tomorrow will be 6 months since we laid our first bag, and it's 2 months since we laid the last one. We've been doing a lot of stuff inside and out. We've started the floor in here. We've got a few sections done on that. We finished the loft. This ladder actually goes up to the loft, and I can show you the loft here in a minute. But to save space, we built this ladder so that we can do this. And now it's up and out of the way. This is the loft. We have our computer, bed, crib up here. We have a 5-foot ceiling over on this side, and then it goes down to about a 3-foot ceiling up against the earth bag wall. We've gotten our interior stucco done on the inside. We've got it insulated. It's pretty close to finished. It lacks. The framed wall needs to be insulated. Ceiling. Flooring. This is the hole that goes down into the living room. And you just slide it over and slide it closed. It's a pretty tight fit, so the baby can't take it off. You can probably tell that we've been living here. We've got boxes along the wall so that the baby doesn't pick at the bags. We've got a little bit of stucco in here. We've got electricity running on extension cords from the shop from when we got electricity. Another thing is we've started on the bathroom. We put a wood floor in what's going to be the bathroom. There's about a foot of space between that and the ground, so we can put in our plumbing without having to dig. This is what we're calling the patio with the wall of the loft. This is a wooden framed wall. And we also have a door going inside to the loft, so we have 2 access points to the loft. Also in there we have a window and AC. Keeps it real nice and cool in there. The roof of the loft is sloped, and we have it set up for water catchment on the other side. This is our setup for water catchment. We have 110 gallons of water catchment for now, so that'll help out a little bit. There's a small, probably 4-inch wall around the top of the roof that funnels all the water down into that pipe. We have the whole top and the loft wall painted white to try and help reflect some heat. And as soon as we did that, it dropped by probably 10 degrees inside. So that makes a huge difference. Also, that elastomeric paint waterproofs it. On the outside, we've got our first coat of stucco done. It'll end up with a total of 2. The first coat's pretty rough, so that the second coat can grab on. But this section right here is what we plan for the whole thing to look like. This has 2 coats. The second coat is smooth, and it's painted white with the same paint that's on the roof. It waterproofs it and helps to reflect just a little bit more heat, where every little bit counts for us.